Well, if you're like me, I think it's just about time we need to talk. I truly believe deep in my heart that every man deserves to be happy, to be loved, to be taken care of, and to be valued. As this has been the main advocacy of this channel, and it's undeniable that there are a lot of men struggling with this. Well, today is the day that you should consider treating yourself and check out these upgrades that you surely deserve. Today, let's talk about the part 2 of the best accessories and gadgets that every car owner must have. And of course, it must always come with a balance, because only those who are treated right, are mentally healthy, and truly happy can treat others with the best of his ability. When you receive good, you will give good. I know that you have your own taste, I have my own taste. Everyone is very free to express their own selves through their cars. Others like to customize, others like to keep it simple. So I would like to know down in the comments which team you belong to. But either way, I believe that both sides can understand each other or can meet halfway, because I believe either teams are awesome in their own ways. So like I said during our part 1, these things that I'm gonna be talking about is more on customization, modification, beautification of your car. I'm just going to give you ideas that you might like, that could be similar to your taste, and then you can go ahead and find things that are similar to your unit or to your model. And don't forget, you might find similar items from the links in the description below. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video, and I hope you enjoy this one. Let's go!
So ayan, nasa IMAX na bang pakiramdam nating lahat? Joke lang po. Just a friendly reminder that let's date our wives. Labas naman natin mga asawa natin, diba? Wag puro work. And yan, sige, simulan na natin ng pinaka first and most important item on the list. I believe napaka-ulan dito sa ating bansa, and this is very important, deep dish matting para sa ating mga sasakyan. Yan, itry natin i-install. This is how it looks like over at the back. Napakaganda, isa rin to sa gusto ko sa Vios. Walang tunnel or hindi sagabal sa feet, and I love it. It just really fits perfectly. Ayan, dito naman sa front seat, driver side, ayan, may tatak na Vios. It's gonna be covering all the way up sa mga pedals, sa mga gilid, and then napakadaling install. Disadvantage lang is, ayan, matataguan po yung lever para sa trunk tsaka sa ating gas, you know, parang dun sa lalagyan ng gas. So just beware of that, but for me it's not a deal breaker. Sobrang angas pa rin itong deep dish matting na ito. Again, links in the description. So ayan, di na tayo masyadong mako-conscious or mabothered pag nagpapasakay tayo ng friends, relatives, loved ones na ayan, sa mga maulan na season. This is really handy. Just take note when you receive it, pag padala sa inyo kaagad ng shipping, it will really look like it's folded, but ayan, nakita nyo naman, it looks good to me. Bilad nyo lang sa araw, kahit pa sobra nyo pa ng isang araw, basta just put it under the sun when you receive it, and it will look good for your car. Now let's go here at the back side. Let's focus here because simple lang ang ginawa ko sa harap, but this is where I put all of my decorations. We're gonna start here with rear step sills, ang tawag po dito. Kasi pintura lang kasi itong part na to and possible na magasgasan yung mga sasakyan natin pag nag-load up tayo ng mga gamit or groceries. So napakalaking tulong yan. Next, let's go here below. This is what we call a rear diffuser. I know that maraming hindi trip ito, but for me, I like it since I'm planning to do naman change my exhaust in the near future. Medyo mas maingay ng konti. Ayan, para dagdag angas. Now, let's go here to the GR badge that I added in my Vios. Napakaangas, represents the Gazoo Racing ng Toyota, which is yung pinaka-proud sila. Very nice addition to your car. And now here, this chrome silver shiny thing over here, I don't know if it's just me, but with black cars, I really find it really attractive to see this chrome garnish that they put on black cars. Next is this underrated addition to your car. For those who want na subtle lang and parang simple lang na spoiler, this is the one for you. You don't wanna punch holes in your car yet, just like me, definitely get one of these. Adds elegance and sportiness as well to your car. Plainly my favorite addition. Now we've talked about the rainy seasons here in our country. We don't want rain pouring down all over our windows, especially when we're trying to see the side mirrors. So definitely you need to get one of these rain visors. The good news is that I think most of the cars have these available as an accessory. So check it out. It adds beauty to your car. Now let's go here to the side step sills. Is what we call it. It has the name Vios on it. Looks good. Adds beauty to the car. Adds some kind of presentation when people get into your ride. So this is a good addition and protection as well for the paint on that area. Moving on. If you own a sedan, it is one of your desires for your trunk to open up right away. You'll definitely need one of these little guy right here. It's a spring that helps you open your trunk automatically when you press the remote control of your car. We'll get back to this beautiful key right here, and that's how it looks. Sobrang handy. You should also get one of those compartment trunk boxes, guys. Storage box. That's where I put my tools and some of the useful stuff that I have. So this is how it looks. When you apply it, you're just gonna hook it up. You have a hole right there in your car, and then I just put some carbon stickers, yung sobra nung kanina, para matakpan yung blue na part and para ma-match na lang din yung color palette natin. So what you're gonna do, you see this clamp right here. You have a bolt and a nut. You're just gonna use some tools on it. Make sure na lang din to put some kind of a protection for the paint in that area right there. I just used a couple of the Lazada plastics that I received. So yeah, this is the beautiful key that I was talking about, guys. I just used this pick right here. It's very easy. You can buy one, link in the description. Make sure to duplicate your key right here. This is the original. Just be careful when you open it. You're just gonna transfer the chipset from that key original, and then this is the new one. Make sure, like I said, to go to the nearest store for duplicate keys, and then you're just gonna transfer the chip, and then you're gonna have one of the best keys ever. Now let's go to the bonus round. Mga pamunas, mga panglinis, simply very affordable microfiber towels to dry your car when you wash it. When you use this pressure washer right here, definitely get one of these. You'll find yourself saving money from car wash. Now, last but not the least, I just want to share this very important equipment that every car owner must have. This is the portable wireless air pump. Any legit driver here knows how difficult it is to change tires in the middle of the road, the middle of nowhere. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing here. You just saw the manual and the wire for the charging of the main device, and you'll also see some pins. There is also the hose for the device itself going to your tire. By the way, those pins are, it also has a pin for a basketball for those who wants to play sports. And this is how it looks like. Nice design. This is where you can see the main panel or the display. This is how it looks like when you press something. and that's where you were able to take advantage of the hidden features of this very amazing device. And here you can see the buttons, and if you're gonna try to turn it on, like press the power button, this is how it looks like. And then you set it to the ideal tire pressure, which is 32 and at the front and 30 at the back for our Vios. And then when you're done, just turn it off, and then that's good. So after you have finished putting the air in your tire, you gotta just cover it with this GR Sport tire caps. This is a perfect match for the emblem at the back, and then there we also have an offering for the steering wheel. Just check out the links in the description. Now, most of the things here might have given you some ideas, enlightenments, and realizations for your decision making in life. Now, if you click this next video right here, I'm pretty sure that it will even guide you even more in your direction in life. So I hope this video helped. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that whatever state you're in your life right now, you'll definitely get there. See you in the next video. Ciao!